Bonjour and welcome back. You've learned greetings, numbers, polite expressions, days of the week, colors. And today we are learning how to talk about your family in French. So let's get started. So let's start with the closest family members. So we call them la famille. La famille, which means the family. La mère, mother. La mère. Le père, father. Let's repeat these three together. La famille, la mère, le père. Great job. So now let's add a few more family members to it. Le frère, brother. Le frère, la sœur, la sœur, sister. Les parents, parents. Les parents, les enfants, the children. Les enfants. Let's repeat these four together. Le frère, la sœur, les parents, les enfants. Excellent. Putting it all together, now let's talk about your own family. To say I have a brother, I have a sister. So you say j'ai un frère. J'ai un frère. And if you have to say I have a sister, so you say j'ai une sœur. J'ai une sœur. Oh, a is used for masculine noun and une is used for feminine noun. So brother is masculine. That is the reason we have used j'ai un frère. And sister is feminine. So we'll use j'ai une sœur. Okay. Now you can use, for example, ma mère s'appelle, my mother's name is, then of course the name of your mother. Okay. Wonderful. You just talked about your family in French. Now, let's do a quick review. I'll say the word in French. Try to remember what it means. La mère, mother. Le père, that's father. Le frère, that's brother. La sœur, that's sister. Bravo! You now know how to talk about your family in French. Try introducing your family members in French today, even just in your head. À demain. See you tomorrow for another French lesson. Au revoir.